Did you buy a Maytag top load machine recently and get it installed within the last month, month and a half, maybe even 2 months? And you're going to use your machine. You have all your soap and all your clothes in there already. You turn the machine on and it's prompting that clean washer with a fresh cycle, and you don't know what to do and you can't get out of it. There's a reason for that. This machine comes with a full 5-year parts and labor warranty from Maytag, from the factory. And that kind of coverage is 5 times more than the rest of the industry. They want to make sure that you're taking care of your machine. So after every 30 loads, this machine is going to auto prompt you to run that clean washer cycle. You can use a fresh, you could even use chlorine bleach, you could use white vinegar. There's a lot of different cleaning agents you can use for it, but it's going to make you run that cycle after every 30 cycles. So if you find yourself continually getting prompted into that with a full basket, what I would recommend is to turn your machine on first before you're going to load up that laundry, before you're going to put that detergent in, and make sure that it's not time to clean the washer. As of right now, we don't know of any way to work around this and to circumvent needing to run that cleaning cycle. But if we do, we'll check back in with another video and let you know how to do it.